Hi guys! Today I'm gonna show you how to make bulgogi kimbap, Korean's favorite food. I'm gonna need bulgogi, eggs, serrano pepper, sesame leaves, and cheese. First, marinate the beef with 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar, half tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. I usually use the minced garlic, but I didn't want it in chunks, so I'm using the powder. 1 tablespoon of Plum Extracts, and add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and mix it all together. Once you mix it all together, you can put it aside for 30 minutes in room temperature. Now let's prepare the eggs. We're gonna put it in Kimbop. Break 6 eggs. Add a little bit of garlic salt. And whip it up really fast. I'm gonna slice up some serrano peppers to add on to Gimbob. Heat up the pan with 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and please make sure it's a medium heat. Heat up the pan in high heat with olive oil. Let's cook the marinated beef with bulgogi. I also want to season the steamed rice with garlic salt and sesame oil to give some extra flavor. And this is the roller to make kimbap. You can purchase it from any Asian store. You put one layer of dried seaweed on top of the roller and spread the rice evenly, about 2/3 of the seaweed. And put sesame leaves on top of the rice. Those are washed and dried. Put bulgogi on top of the sesame leaves. One strand of egg. Slice the serrano peppers. And press it all together and roll it very slowly and firmly. And ta-da! That's it! And this gimbap, I'm gonna add some cheese on it too. The ingredients included in the roll can be almost anything you like. It's all ready. Now we just have to slice and serve. Try to put a little bit of sesame oil on the knife. That will make it easier to slice up the kimbap. You gotta try to slice it very slowly, otherwise it can easily break. People often get confused between sushi and kimbap. Kimbap is a Korean dish made up of seaweed, seasoned rice, and assortment of other ingredients usually formed into a roll, then sliced and served, which is really great finger food. I hope you can try to make this one at home for yourself. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you.